So today is the 8th of July 2022. We have. Oh, it's here. It's on. What was it again? Like.
Puosunrinne 6. Yes.
Puosunrinne.
Puosunrinne.
Puosunrinne, yeah, but the Finnish again.
Puosunrinne.
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 Puosunrinne. I always forget. So Puosunrinne, it's building 3. Or was it 6?
6.
6, sorry, because we burned 3.
Yeah.
There's 6 staircase B. We just filmed the staircase ANC here. It was built in 1974. When I was in 2004. But this is such an unnecessary one because of this interior is so boring. I don't like this 3-sided door.
Same.
It's
that's
3,
4-side.
Yeah, but still
Yeah.
necessary. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2023. Turned 40, most actually turned 15 years old in 2019. The elevator turned 45 years old then. And this is in Espoonlahti. Espoo Viken, Espoo. In the Helsinki region, Puosunrinne, Finland. I don't know why I had such a blackout. But I forgot.
Yeah.
Forgot the address.
Tyttpaikki vai olisi pitänyt meidän tentpaikka on?
In this video I had a blackout.
Yeah.
Strange. I really do have I usually have a really bad memory of addresses. I don't remember addresses.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's